Okay, today we're going to cut the dragon fruit shape here, just the skin only, okay? Unmold it. Okay, wear gloves, of course, always. Need to use hand to operate the camera, okay? So you can excuse me for that. But I'm very careful not to use the right hand. So hopefully, out of the mold. Okay, hold the clump here, leave it aside, reuse it you can. So this recipe here, I use it's very hard. I use 65% of hard fat, coconut and palm oil. So it should be hard. And also I use sodium lactate as well. So sodium lactate help with unmolding. From what I see, it's very easy to unmold so far. It's been like 12 hours, give and take, a few hours between that. Just unmold this. Ooh, easy as. Look at that. This clump here, we use it to test. We're going to test a ladder test, okay? But before we do that, we have to do a pH test, okay? To see if it's safe or not. As always, okay? It should be safe to use, but we never know, right? We don't judge, okay? So do a pH test somewhere here, somewhere in the middle. Let me get the pH paper ready. Look like green, it is green, okay? So we are safe on the outside. Okay, we are green. Okay, around 8 or 9. Okay, so we're safe to cut this. Okay, so we're safe to cut, okay? Let me cut this for you to see. So look at the pattern come out. I quite like it. So this is the first time I try this recipe, doing the layering as well. It turned out alright. I like it. Initially, what I want was this to be blue, the white part to be blue with indigo, actually pink, but it didn't turn out, okay? So we'll see, we'll have a look. But turned out alright. Let me get my knife. Yep, pretty easy to go through. So 12 hours for this recipe. The palm 160 is a good time. Oh, still crumbling inside. Still wet. Okay, so the knife is not a good place to. If you have the professional cutter, it will be better. For another few more hours because it's a little crumbling. Because I'm not using a professional cutter, so I'll leave it like that. Okay. pH is good. Let me do a check inside as well, just in case. The pH test on the inside. Yep, we're safe. Okay. I did a test on the inside, so it's safe. Now we can use the glove. Okay. Now I'm gonna leave it because it's still wet. A bit too soft still to cut. Let me show you how to fix this. So with this, right, you just use the soft, just patch it up. Since it's still soft, right, you can still do this. Easy fix, right? Make sure you get the white and the white. So it's too soft to cut, so I'll wait for another few more hours, then I'll come back and cut it, okay? My name is Travis Chow. Thanks for watching. Hope it's not too long, but it's turned out, I like this kind of look, right? Something different, okay? I'll see you next time with another video, okay?